Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Maybe it's the birdseed that make glue on your hat. Ha ha ha. Good morning, me friends. Today be Wednesday, July 31, 2024. Let's say goodbye to month with your Cincinnati weather report. We go to weather window and say hello to monkey, hello owl, and we look up there. Okay, come back over here into weather center. It overcast right now at 71 degrees Fahrenheit and not too sunny at 22 degrees centigrade. Longa time ago, there be band in Boston called Think Tree. Me like them big time. Especially song called Hire a Bird. Yeah, good. Chance of showers and thunderstorms in afternoon. Hot today. Oh, high near 95 degrees. Oh. Possible heavy rain tonight. Low round 73. Listen to songs of birds while you have a good day. Let me go find some more bird seed to put outside for birds.